you like to just shorten it?
What's the meaning of life?
What is the meaning of life? That's the easy one. The meaning of life is learning the secret of happiness. It's not getting what you want, but giving to others. Not getting what you want, but giving to others. See how much you can be selfless, give to others, serve, help, be kind, be compassionate, be selfless. And that's the meaning of life. To grow in kindness, compassion, and wisdom. For the happiness and benefit, first of all of your parents, and then of all other beings. Can you do that?
Yeah, thank you.
Very good.